Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a stylish glass font with texture of rainwater in the pixelLeb. For this purpose, open pixelLeb and click on new text. Write the text whatever you want. After writing the font, enlarge it and go to the AB font style. Here in my fonts, you can choose font of your own choice. So after selecting the font style, adjust it and go to the three dots for the selection of the background size. Here you can choose YouTube thumbnail size. Now select the shape from the plus icon and make its color black. After that, reduce its size and adjust it. By adjusting, make it okay and go to the layers. Now merge these two layers. Now go to the erase tool and enable it. Selecting the black color by pencil, the text will disappear. Now add new text and write other name in between the space. After repeating this step, now you have to merge these two layers as we have done before. This will be just a single font. Now we have to add texture from the gallery. Its link is also given in the description. After that, we have to add the background from the gallery. Select its size as the size of the YouTube thumbnail and make little changes as I am doing, so follow the steps carefully.